Are you like me? Are you overwhelmed by all the choices that you're finding on Amazon and all over the internet of massage guns? Well, I've tried out quite a few to make this process easier for you. So if you're looking to make the best choice when it comes to purchasing a massage gun, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. In today's video, I'm going to compare some massage guns, and I've learned a lot about all the pros and cons when it comes to choosing a massage gun. And not only that, every massage gun in this video, every massage gun in this video, I'm giving away for free. So make sure you watch the video until the end so you can find out how you can win a free massage gun. Now, before we get started in comparing these massage guns, let's talk about the benefits of a massage gun. A massage gun can help you with sports performance, loosening up lactic acid to help you with soreness after a workout. It can help you with pain relief and breaking up scar tissue to make injuries heal faster. Also, it'll help you relieve muscle spasms and stiffness, and it'll also help you get more range of motion. So now that we know about the benefits, let's talk about what to look for in a massage gun. One of the main things that you want to look for in a massage gun is amplitude. Amplitude is how far the head of the massage gun travels back and forth. That's amplitude. That's very important because you want to make sure that the distance that the massage gun goes gives you a lot of depth to get deep into that muscle. Theoretically, the more distance is good because that range of travel really helps get deep into the muscle, but it's not the only factor. The other factor is going to be stall force. Stall force is how much pressure you can apply the massage gun to the muscle before it stalls. So when you have it on and you're pressing against your body, does it stall quickly or does it take a while or does it stall at all? Because you want to make sure that when you're applying pressure to the muscle and you're getting in deep, that it's still going to be active for you. So the better the stall force, the better the massage gun. Now we're going to begin with the first massage gun, and we're going to call it Brand X. What is Brand X? It's usually the ones that you'll find on Amazon for the cheapest. The way you can recognize Brand X, and the reason why I'm doing Brand X is because this massage gun that I'm using, it no longer exists. And that should tell you a lot right there. I think they just changed names and went somewhere else because of bad reviews. And I'm gonna warn you right now that this one is not gonna be the best one. But if you're on a budget, it may be a good choice for you. So the thing about Brand X is that they're always gonna have this stem right here, and this is your battery. And it usually has a colored ring at the bottom. There's various brands that you'll see. They're usually shaped like this. They'll come with attachments, they'll come with a case, and they usually charge at the bottom with an on and off switch. If you have something like that, you have Brand X. The great thing about Brand X is you can find them for dirt cheap. I think the cheapest one I found was around $50. So if you're on a budget and you want something, Brand X is something that probably can last for you for a short period of time. But here are the things that I don't like about Brand X. For one, the stall force is terrible. When you're trying to press that against the body, it stalls right away. And that's the biggest red flag for me when it comes to Brand X, is the stall force is not great at all. It didn't take a lot of pressure for this massage gun to stall on me when I was applying pressure to my chest. The other thing about Brand X, usually these are mass marketed and they make them for cheap. They usually come with a flat surface with a very generic type of, I would say, Generation 1 touchscreen. And the main reason why I got a massage gun is because after workouts that help me recover faster, to help me with soreness, well, with that, my hands are sweating. And when they're sweating and I'm trying to start it, and when I'm trying to start it, it doesn't do anything because my hands are wet. And it seems like over time, it goes kind of bad when it comes to trying to make sure that the functions on the touchscreen work. So whether you're trying to apply oil in your massages or after a workout like myself, this can be bad if you really need to get it started right away or you're trying to change speed levels, is that the touchscreen is usually not that effective. I prefer tactile buttons myself. Overall, with brand X, the stall force not being good is a reason why I would not really recommend this. Because the whole handle is a battery, it usually has good battery life, but I'm pulling straws here to find out something good about brand X. I wouldn't get it, but everybody has a different budget. I know how the job market is right now. So if you're looking for something inexpensive, brand X may be for you, but I would highly recommend upgrading in the future. Now my next massage gun is by EveryFun. EveryFun. That sounds fun. This is one here that is a pretty good massage gun. Now, one of the attachments it comes with is an air attachment. It kind of has a spongy effect to it. When you press it against the muscle, it takes sort of the impact there. It's not as intense for like lighter areas that you want to go on. And so that I really like that attachment on here, that it has a rounded shape to it so I can really move it along pretty easily. I always like to start off with the air attachment and work my way up to some of the harder attachments. Another great thing about EveryFun is that it has the longest battery life out of all the massage guns I've tested. And so that's a really good thing that I love about EveryFun, is that it does have a good battery life. But however, it is the largest one that I've ever used. It is quite heavy, it is quite large, but with that you will get good battery life. The stall force is pretty decent. It really did take a lot of effort for me to press down and for it to stall on me, but it did just stop working once it stalled. I gotta put my computer on Do Not Disturb. It did stall on me when I applied pressure on it. It did take some good pressure, but it did stall on me. But the thing I didn't like was, it was like the machine failed. The lights were on, I couldn't press it. I had to really maneuver the head so it can make sure that it started working again. But it did start working, but I would think that they would have some type of shut-off mechanism or something when that happens. It happened to me, but I like to apply a lot of force when I'm going deep into the muscle there. It does have good amplitude of the distance when it travels, so that's another good positive for it. And I do like it uses a tactile button instead of a touch screen, so you know when you press it, it's going to work. It's very satisfying click. I love that click. You want to hear it? Here, hear this click. Oh, that's satisfying. Something that I didn't like about the EveryFun, it uses one of these old school power bricks, and this thing is huge. So much so that it took up like 3 or 4 slots on my power strip, and I couldn't do it the other direction, but I didn't like that it feels like the build quality is not that great. Seems like a pretty cheap plastic. And the build quality of EveryFun, it seems sturdy, but the plastic looks very smudgy and like it can be scratched. So it looks nice when it comes out of the box, but after that, it kind of gets kind of nasty looking. But I mean, that's just a matter of preference. Yeah, this charger here is, I think in 2021, it's a problem for me, but once it's charged, it lasts a long time. That's the good thing. All right, so that's what I really like about EveryFun. But it is a pretty decent massage gun with all that said. Also price-wise, it's $129 on Amazon, and you get a $30 coupon, a clickable coupon. So that's a good plus there. If you want something that's a pretty good range when it comes to purchasing a massage gun, $100, it's a pretty decent value when it comes to that massage gun. But go ahead and check out EveryFun. It's a pretty decent one. Now this next massage gun, this is one that I feel like checks all the boxes. There's some things that I wish I could change, but this is definitely the best one that I've tried. This is the Bob and Brad massage gun. And one of the great things about the Bob and Brad one is that Bob and Brad are actual physical therapists. They're literally the most famous physical therapists on the internet. You can check out their YouTube channel. I think they have like over 2 million followers here. So this is designed by a physical therapist. So there's a lot of thought when it comes into this massage gun. For one, if you notice right away, it's smaller than all the massage guns. It is shockingly smaller and way more lightweight. And I didn't think weight would make a difference, but when I was using it, it's just like you can maneuver it in so much more of an effective way and your arm doesn't get tired doing it. And so you can really work those muscles out for longer. Another thing I really liked about it is that it uses USB-C. USB-C, such a small little plug that plugs in there, and it's the same plug that I use for my laptop. Like, take a look, see? It's right here. Same plug. The same one. So I don't have to find this power brick when I'm trying to look for a charger there. I can literally use the same one I use for my computer. Another good thing about it is that the build quality is amazing. There's no open seams. It's very sturdy. It feels solid in the hands while being light. It kind of reminds me of like an Apple design. And speaking of that, this comes from their website. So I just want to make sure that I'm telling you what they said on there. Like, I don't know how to fact check this, but this is what they say on here. The battery on here. So I couldn't find a battery life when it comes to it here, but I've been using it for a month and a half and the battery hasn't run out. But this caught my eye. I just wanted to let you know. So on their Amazon page, it says large capacity battery and Type-C quick charge, 2500 milliamps, large capacity original battery cell supplied to Tesla for a long life and security. So apparently the battery that's used in this is ones that they use in Tesla. So I guess that gives it some street cred. Now, again, with all that said, I've been using it for a month and a half. I've only charged the thing once. That's long enough for me. I mean, I don't know what your demand is when it comes to massaging. I think that if you are a massage therapist and you're using this, maybe you want to look in deeper to that battery life, but I tried to research it and that's what I found. Another great thing about this is, the greatest thing about this is the stall force. I was really trying to press this against my chest to make it stall. And I was pressing hard, and I'm not like someone who doesn't have muscle or anything. I was pressing pretty hard and it did not stall on me. I was really trying my best. It was digging in deeper there to the point where I was just like, man, this kind of hurting my chest. So that's the thing that really sold me on the Bob and Brad massage gun, was the stall force is great. The altitude is amazing. The distance that it travels, as far as, so not only am I getting like the best stall force, is that it's pounding deep into the muscle. And you really need that to break up scar tissue for a range of motion and to heal from injuries faster. And the amazing thing about this one is that the sound on it is so quiet. It's so much quieter than the other models. Go ahead and check out this sound test. When it comes to cons, I'm really stretching to find some, but here's one. It may apply to some people, not everyone. And if you're a nerd like me, this doesn't apply to you. It doesn't come with a charging brick, but it does come with the USB-C cable. On their Amazon site, it says, any regular phone adapter will be able to charge the massage gun without a problem. If you're like me, you've had multiple phones, you probably have a lot of bricks laying around. Any one will work, whether you got a small one, a big one, any of those will work as far as when it comes to charging this massage gun. But I love that I have that option and the cable is so small. Another great thing I love about the Bob and Brad massage gun is that in their manual, it actually shows you how to use the attachments with body diagrams. so you can see exactly how to use each one. The other ones, they kind of leave you in the dark, especially like brand X. There's like no real diagram to show you how to use it. 3 pages, the entire manual before, you know, it went to another language. Every fund did have things that explain the attachments, and it had things to explain muscle groups, but not how to apply them to the muscle groups. And this is where I think Bob and Brad had a huge advantage, because it gives you all that plus diagrams that show you. My wife called me. I was telling her to use a massage gun because she was sore. And she said that, oh my gosh, she looked at the manual. She's like, this is so easy. I can just read this here and I know what attachment to use and how to use it. So yeah, the manual was great when it comes to it. Now, when it comes to pricing, there's a great deal right now going on with the Bob and Brad massage gun. It's $129.99 and it has a clickable coupon right now on Amazon for $35 off. But wait, that's not all. I was trying to say that without it being cheesy, but it always just is gonna come off as cheesy. If you're looking to purchase the Bob and Brad massage gun, if you click the link in the description of this video, and there's a coupon code right next to the link, if you apply that coupon code, you're gonna get $13 off in addition, which brings your subtotal to $81.99. So that's right, only $81.99. So with that price point, with all those pros when it comes to this type of massage gun, I highly recommend this gun. I highly recommend this massage gun. This is one of the best ones that I've used on the internet. Plus, it's at a great deal right now. So make sure you check that out. All right, so you've been watching the video this long, you're here for the giveaway. That's right, as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm giving away every single massage gun that you saw in this video. That includes the Bob and Brad massage gun. Now, in order to enter in the giveaway, the first thing you need to do is like this video. And after you do that, you need to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you need to just do it anyways, because I have a lot of content out there about fitness. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, the next thing after that is that you need to follow me on Instagram at DisciplineDave. I check on there and I do it live. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Then after that, you need to leave a comment in this video saying how you would use this massage gun, and make sure, very important, that you put your Instagram handle in the comment. That's 2 parts to that. That first part is that you're going to leave a comment on how you would use the massage gun, and make sure you put your Instagram handle on there. If you miss any of the steps, you won't be qualified for the giveaway. And now the final part is, when is the giveaway? So the giveaway is going to be, mark this down on your calendar, the giveaway is going to be on YouTube Live. So make sure you come back here onto the channel. It's going to be live April 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's right, I'm going to do it live right here on the YouTube channel. So make sure that you tune in right here on YouTube. It will be live so you can see how you win, and I'm going to make sure that I show you how I pick it. Random is going to be full transparency, but tune in April 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's where you can find out if you're a winner. So there's multiple massage guns to give out. Anybody can be a winner. Make sure you check that out. Don't miss any of the steps. I'm going to put them up here. Just leave them up here so you can know what to do, and check that out. Good luck, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. All right, so when we talk about stall force, we're talking about the pressure applied to the muscle before it actually stalls. That's the massage gun, that is. So as you see, when I press against this one.
Okay.
All right.
Jesus.
All right.
Whoa, you're trying to take out my shoulder.